Hey yo, good morning, Lou Gang. What has happened? And let's change glasses. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah. Okay. So guys, this is my tripod. I think this is my tripod. So let's do the unboxing video. This is gonna be my first unboxing video in the whole entire world. Hey! Alright! Don't shoot your phone. I just said something. You know what? Just use scissors. Isn't it way easier? It's a easier way. Do you guys think this is your tripod? Comment down below right now in 3, 2, 1. Comment down below if you think this is the tripod. Okay, there's something inside here. Wait. Oh, they don't have popping popsicles. Comment down below if you think this is your tripod. 3, 2, 1. I don't think this is a tripod, at least. I mean, I don't. Came in a package like this. So now, did you comment yes? It's now the time. Yo! What the heck? Yo! This is cool. Cool. This is super cool. Cool. I was just talking to my grandma, guys. Because she didn't think it was the tripod. Because it was too soft. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, guys, this is a tripod. I really like this. So yeah. Let's try it out. I'm gonna still keep recording. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna still keep recording. But instead, I'm gonna put you guys in the tripod. Okay, now this is a little bit heavy. Sorry guys, my hand's in the way. But yeah, this is pretty good. Hey, this is actually pretty good. This is actually pretty good, guys. I really like this. I give it a 100 out of 10. Because for the I'm moving it so hard. But like if I move it just a little bit, it's not moving at all. So that's good about that. And we can put you doing this whenever I want. Okay, alright. Okay, you better go up really like this. Then I can just, okay, now that doesn't actually work. Or does it? Hey, y'all, hey, that actually works, guys. Yeah. So you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace, fam.